How to enable or disable allow apps to request to track on iPhone X. And okay guys, sir, in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to privacy and security. Okay guys, sir, in privacy and security, you can see here the tracking. Okay, you can tap this and now you can see here the allow apps to request to track. And on the right side of this, you can see the switch button. And to enable the allow apps to request to track, okay, you can enable the switch button or turn on the switch button on the right side. So okay, and below of this you can see the app that have asked for permission to track your activity with an identifier will appear here. Tracking activity is blocked by apps that you deny access to this application below. So for my example, I enable the Facebook and share it. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled the allow apps to request to track. And to disable again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this allow apps to request to track. And the pop-up below are show and select or tap the ask app to stop tracking. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled or disabled allow apps to request to track on iPhone X.